In a surprising move, US President Donald Trump announced an increase in H-1B visa fees from a few $100s to $100,000 annually. This decision, effective 21st September, primarily impacts Indian tech workers, who account for about 70% of all H-1B visa holders in the US. The fee is roughly equivalent to 90 lakh INR per year, a substantial amount compared to most Indian engineers' annual earnings, even in the US. This policy shift comes as part of broader efforts to tighten immigration rules and protect American jobs. The new visa policy could have far-reaching consequences for both the US and Indian tech sectors. Companies like Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, and Wipro, which rely heavily on H-1B visas, face a difficult decision: pay the new fees or reconsider their staffing strategies. Many workers might struggle to afford this fee, potentially jeopardizing their careers and livelihoods. A reduction in visa-based deployments could lead to fewer job opportunities in America and limited chances for Indian workers to gain international experience. This is not an isolated event but rather part of a larger pattern of stricter immigration policies under the Trump administration, particularly targeting Indian workers. Beyond visa fees, there have been stricter limits on green cards and increased deportations of undocumented Indians in the US. Despite voicing concerns, India's government seems to be aligning with some of these immigration controls. The next few months will reveal how companies and workers adapt to this change and if rules continue to evolve under new political pressures. For thousands of Indian tech professionals chasing the American dream, this could mark a significant setback.